Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Evaluate cos 45 degree whole divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So let us give the values of cos 45, sec 30 and cosec 30. So we get 1 by root 2 whole divided by 2 by root 3 plus 2. Let us do the cross multiplication for the denominator. We get 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 root 3 whole divided by root 3. Now let us multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator. We get 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. So 1 into root 3, it is root 3. Then root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Now let us remove this bracket. So we get root 3 divided by root 2 into 2. It is 2 root 2 plus root 2 into 2 root 3. It is 2 root 6. Now here we can see the denominator is an irrational number. So we need to rationalize it. You have studied how can we rationalize the denominator in 9th standard. Here the denominator is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. So we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. So we get that is equal to root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. That is equal to the numerator root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. The denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. We know a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So the denominator becomes a square minus b square. That is 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Now the numerator is root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by denominator is 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Now let us remove the bracket from here. Root 3 into 2 root 2. It is 2 root 6. Here we go to 2 root 6 minus root 3 into 2 root 6. It is 2 root 18. Then denominator 2 root 2 whole square. 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. So that is equal to 4 into 2 minus here 2 square is 4. Root 6 square is 6. So that is equal to 4 into 6. So we get that is equal to 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 whole divided by 8 minus 24. That is equal to 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 whole divided by minus 16. Now you see this root 18. We can write as root of 2 into 9. In these two numbers, 9 is a perfect square and its square root is 3. So we can take it out of the square root sign. So we can write root 18 equal to 3 root 2. So this root 18 we are going to replace by 3 root 2. So we get 2 root 6 minus 2 into 3 root 2 whole divided by minus 16. Now you can see here 2, here also 2. 2 is a common number. We can take it out of the bracket. So we get 2 into root 6 minus 3 root 2 whole divided by minus 16. Now let us cancel this 2 and minus 16. We get minus 8 there. So we get root 6 minus 3 root 2 whole divided by minus 8. Now I am going to take the negative sign outside from the numerator. Here root 6 is positive. If we take negative outside from root 6, positive root 6, there is remaining negative root 6. Here 3 root 2 is negative. If I take the negative sign outside, there will remain positive 3 root 2. That means if I take negative sign outside, this sign will be changed. Minus 3 root 2 will become positive 3 root 2. Positive root 6 will become minus root 6. So, now let us cancel these negative signs from both numerator and denominator. We get 3 root 2 minus root 6 whole divided by 8. That is the answer. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.